To give you a little introduction to the first IXL for this week, I want to just show you what you can learn in IXL by itself. So right here I'm showing you the screen, and they have a new feature where you don't have to miss one to be able to read the background information. So if you click here on Learn with an Example, it'll actually go through a little lesson to say this is the skill we're learning right now. So this lesson is words with pre, that's a prefix. And so the example, which do airplanes predate, and do airplanes predate space shuttles or horse-drawn carriages? So if you don't know that, a prefix can be added to the beginning of a base word to create a new word. Knowing the meaning of a prefix can help you determine the meaning of a word. The prefix pre means before. So the prefix pre means before, predate means to happen or exist before something else. So which did airplanes come before? Space shuttles or horse-drawn carriages? The answer there would be space shuttles. So now we'll go back to practice. And this one we're having a premonition, or it's pronounced premonition. When might someone have a premonition of a heavy storm? It's something that comes before it, right? So when the storm has come in, or when the sky is still clear. So if the storm has already come in, that wouldn't be a premonition. So it should be when the sky is still clear. Okay, so which step is more likely to occur during the pre-production of a movie? So that would be before it's produced. Would it be casting the actors or editing the sound? Editing the sound happens after the filming, so it would be casting the actors that's pre-production. Who might want his electronic devices to come pre-programmed? That would be programmed before. Someone who doesn't have the time to set up his own electronics, or someone who enjoys setting up his own. So the one that wants it pre-programmed would be the one who doesn't have time to set up his own. Okay, which are likely to come pre-packaged at a grocery store? Bananas or ready-to-eat dinners? And bananas don't have a lot of packaging, so that would make sense. I think you'll find this one pretty easy. The goal is 100 points on this one. We did an 80-point one last week because it was more challenging, but this one should be pretty easy. Who is more likely to use prefabricated panels when building a new house? Fabricated means made or built. So a craftsman building a custom-made house entirely by hand, or a construction company building many houses in a short period of time, and they would benefit most from prefabricated. So good luck with this. I think you'll find it pretty easy. Have a good time.